this morning, but also the book fair is starting today, which is really fun and exciting. And I want to remind you that with the book fair, you're going to go with your class to shop during your computer lab and library time. And if you have money or the code for your e-wallet, you will be able to shop during your lunch playtime. So not during lunch when you eat, you still have to sit and eat all of your lunch, but during your playtime, there will be certain days where you can shop. So today, first and second grade are not able to because we have another class up there. But we have schedules, we'll guide you as to the days when you can do that. But most importantly, we want to remember that we're listening to the adults on campus and we're listening to the directions, whether it is how we're going to shop at the book fair or when we can shop. Always listening and asking good questions if we want clarification, okay? And also, I just want to remind everyone that when we're moving on campus, whether you're going to get your weekly COVID test or coming back to the room from that, or going up to the book fair or coming back, that we're always moving on campus quietly, slowly, and on our pathways, not cutting through the grass areas or through the fence areas, just moving as we're supposed to, showing responsibility and respect to the other classes as we move. Okay, so thank you for listening to those reminders, and thank you, Matthew. Okay, so we're going to start with our Student of the Month. And when I call your name, please come up. Student Council representatives from Mr. Chewy's class, Kate and Matthew, will give you your certificate. They'll line you up, and then we'll get started. And Miss Phoebe, did you get it going? Thank you. All right, from Mrs. Barnett's class, we have Nora Rignop for TK. All right, from Miss Purcell's class, Austin Flores. From Ms. N's class, Ellie Gossard. From Mrs. Gonzalez's class, Ronan Freddy. From Mrs. Corlillian's class, Christine Takemoto. From Misfits class, Damian Corlillian. From Ms. Jenks class, Daniel Yaganian. From Ms. Drew's class, Taylor McCauley. From Ms. Park's class, Aiken Marcus Pineda. From Mrs. Weller's class, Sadie Sullivan. From Ms. Rivetto's class, Rosalind Sabato. And from Mrs. Bringus's class, a big day for the Corlillian family, Jean. All right, let's give our Student of the Month recipients a big round of applause. Thank you. You may be seated and be sure and come back up at the end for your photo. All right, for our personal success recipients, we have from TK, Fiona Sarian for great effort. From Ms. Purcell's class, Brooklyn Hughes for making progress in memorizing letter names. From Ms. N's class, Nari Chong for working hard in kindergarten. Nari. From Ms. Curlerian's class, Dominic Leon. From Mrs. Fitzgibbon's class, Henry Shakarian from Math Literacy. From Ms. Jenks' class, Mila Ziade for critical thinking skills. From Ms. Sharut's class, Jordan Lorca for hard work and kindness. From Ms. Park's class, Lilith Akverdian. From Mrs. Weller's class, Reed Gonzalez. From Ms. Roberto's class, Braden Hurtle. And from Mrs. Bringus's class, Monee Akverdian. Different first names, please. There you go. All right, let's give all of our personal success recipients a big round of applause. All right. Thank you. Please be seated. All right, thank you. I think we do have time to do our sword slip recipients. So, this is exciting. For our prize box, thank you to everyone who's earning sword slips. Raise your hand if you've earned sword slips in February. Awesome. Thank you for showing great school expectations. So coming up at recess to get your prize box award will be David Z, 2nd grade, Vicky from 1st grade, London from kindergarten, Nari from kindergarten, Diana from 1st grade, Archer from 1st grade, Shiv from 1st grade, and Milo from 2nd grade. Congratulations. For the art box, Emma Kay, come on up from 3rd grade. And we have a Froyo gift card for Paisley from 1st grade. Congratulations. All right, so at this time, we're going to end by singing our Valley View song. And then as soon as we finish, please give your attention to your teacher to head back to class. Thank you again for being such a great audience for our assemblies today. We really appreciate it. Have a great rest of your Friday, Valley View.
All right, everybody. My class, we're in the back row, so we are going to turn around. We're singing the Valley View song first. My bad.
Sing to the colors of Valley View, to the white and the blue. We will always be true to our friends, to our teachers, to those that we knew. Hooray! Hooray for Valley View! I spent this time at this our school, and I learned. I hope it's teaching well. The skills to do, the courage to try, to work and to learn for all of our lives. Let us sing to the colors of Valley View, to the white and the blue. We will always be true to our friends, to our teachers, to those that we knew. Hooray! Hooray for Valley View!
Mrs. Weller, you cracked me up. My bad.
All right, thank you, everyone.
I'm not listening to directions. I'm not singing. What? I'm like, I don't know what